10 incredible houses you won't believe exist. Your home sweet home might be the most cherished object you have. It is our place of refuge, it is our sanctuary and security and comfort. It is our domain where we surely are the king of the castle. So you're about to be invited to see 10 of the most expensive grand houses in the world. With that said, don't forget to click the like button, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell for more updates. Number 10, the Hidden Hills Mansion. The Hidden Hills is definitely a masterpiece in LA, and you won't be surprised to hear that none other than Kim Kardashian and Kanye West are the owners of this spectacular Californian home. The Calabasas estate, with an estimated value of $60 million, was once the home of Lisa Marie Presley, daughter of Elvis, and was reportedly purchased by Kanye and Kim for $20 million in 2014. Since then, the couple transformed the massive home into a futuristic Belgian monastery of sorts, with a nearly all-white estate reflecting the former couple's style, which also resembles a museum for the elaborate art collection and unique furniture pieces that add to the overall aesthetic. Inside the 8-bedroom, 10-bedroom home is an enormous kitchen, 8 fireplaces with a groin vaulted ceilings. The home also includes 2 vineyards, sprawling outdoor space, 2 pools, and 1,050 square foot entertainment pavilion. With these amenities and their luxurious area, it's no wonder even Lil Wayne decided to purchase a mansion at Hidden Hills for $15.4 million. Number 9, Beyonce and Jay-Z's Bel-Air home. Just like the juggernaut singer and actress Beyonce and her Gangatarian husband Jay-Z's career, their home is also colossal residences comprising 6 structures and is made from glass, steel, and exquisite marbled limestone. Beyonce and Jay-Z's Bel-Air home was considered as one of the most expensive property transactions in LA when it was made in 2017, costing the power couple $88 million. The custom-made home is 8 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms, with a dramatic staircase made from dark wood and Italian limestone. The windows are bulletproof with a state-of-the-art security system to provide utter privacy to their music royalty. There's also a 2-acre garden that fits expansive patios, a number of sunbathing decks, 4 swimming pools, a full basketball court, a spa, a media room, staff quarters, and a secure garage that can fit up to 15 vehicles. Considering that they both have the staggering net worth of well over $1 billion, the two can truly live it up with nothing but the best however they like. Number 8, Oprah's Promised Land. Media mogul and superstar billionaire Oprah Winfrey was once invited to a party back in 2001, and fell in love with the dreamy estate in Montecito near Santa Barbara in California. Upon seeing this gorgeous abode, she used her formidable powers of persuasion to get the owners of the estate to sell it to her for $52 million. The tranquil 42-acre property, which after massive renovations and additions now costs more than $100 million, and is aptly called Oprah's glorious promised land. Next, Oprah decided to acquire neighboring properties, which means that the estate spans over 70 acres with 230,000 square foot mansion at its center. The mansion consists of several living rooms, a library, kitchen, 2 home theaters, a wine cellar, an office, 6 bedrooms, and 14 baths. In addition to the sprawling neo-Georgian mansion, Oprah's estate comprises orchard gardens, a koi pond, tennis courts, a pool house, and as well as a 2-bedroom craftsman-style guest house spanning 4,000 square feet, which of course is also extremely luxurious. Number 7, Bill Gates Xanadu 2.0. Former CEO and co-founder of Microsoft's Bill Gates residence located in Medina, Washington, is coined as Xanadu 2.0 after the fictional home of Charles Foster Kane, who is the title character of Citizen Kane. Previous estimates valued it at $127 million. The 66,000 square feet home is just fitting for a tech giant. The home is absolutely massive and is loaded to the brim with high-tech details. A high-tech sensor system also allows guests to monitor a room's climate and lighting, as each guest receives a pin that interacts with sensors located all over the house. Speakers hidden behind wallpaper allow music to follow you from room to room. As a matter of fact, even the 60-foot pool has its own underwater music system. Xanadu 2.0 is also special because it is an earth-sheltered house, meaning that it's also built into the surroundings to regulate temperature more than effectively. There's also an exercise facility totaling 2,500 square feet. With a 20-foot ceiling trampoline room, it even has an enormous reception hall that can accommodate up to 200 guests. Apart from that, there's 7 bedrooms, 24 baths, 6 kitchens, a 2,100 square foot library, a home theater, and a garage that can accommodate up to 23 cars. Number 6, the Jack Warner Estate. The Jack Warner Estate in Beverly Hills was purchased by Amazon founder and outgoing CEO Jeff Bezos. The Georgian-style mansion was built in 1936 by Jack Warner, the head of Warner Brothers Studios, and lived there until his death in 1978. The estate spans 8 acres with 13,600 square foot mansion with its 8-bedroom and 9 bathrooms. The house includes a floor that was once owned by Napoleon. It also has 2 guest houses, a pool, and a tennis court. The ultimate pad is valued at $175 million. Number 5, Odeon Tower Penthouse. This is the world's most expensive penthouse ever listed. The Odeon Tower Penthouse in Monaco has $400 million price tag and is perched atop the 49-story La Tour Odeon in Monaco. With its ultra-luxurious 5 floors covering 38,000 square feet, it has 6 bedrooms, stunning views of the ocean, and a water slide that descends 1 story from the penthouse dance floor directly into the outdoor pool. And of course, every floor has a kitchen and includes a private chauffeur, a caterer, 3 staff bedrooms, a 24-hour concierge service, and a health club. Number 4. Witanhurst, London. You knew there would surely be a London home on our list. The second largest and second most valuable mansion in London, as a matter of fact. Second only to Buckingham Palace, Witanhurst in London sits on an 11-acre plot in Highgate, one of the London's wealthiest neighborhoods. Designed in Queen Anne style, it continues 25 bedrooms, a 70-foot-long ballroom, and glass rotunda. For decades since its construction in the early 20th century, the estate would often host lavish parties attended by dignitaries and royals alike. Recent renovations have added a second 3-story villa and dug out 40,000 square feet of basement space. If you have about $450 million, this place can be yours. Number 3. Villa La Leopolda. It was once owned by King Leopold II of Belgium. Villa La Leopolda is located on the heights of Villefranche-sur-Mer at the Cairo Pass, between Nice and Monaco, so you know it offers breathtaking views at the Mediterranean. The exceptional villa, sitting on 18 acres of land, has more than 29,000 square feet of livable space. It has 19 master bedrooms with 14 bathrooms, 12 pools throughout the escape, and carefully kept gardens with a variety of flora spanning 8 hectares. The estate that once belonged to kings and became a billionaire's amusement park is valued at $750 million. Number 2. Antilia, Mumbai. Located in the Billionaires Row in Altamont Road, Kambala Hill in Mumbai, India, Antilia is owned by Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani and is utilized at his family residence. Its controversial design and ostentatious use by a single family has made it infamous. Valued at $2.2 billion, Antilia has 27 stories standing 568 feet tall over 400 square feet, with 3 helipads, its own air traffic control, 168 car garage, a ballroom, 9 high-speed elevators, a 50-seat theater, terrace gardens, swimming pools, spa, health centers, a temple, and a snow room that spits out snowflakes from the walls. And the skyscraper mansion is number 2 on our list because it is one of the world's largest and most elaborate private homes. Number 1. Buckingham Palace. The world's most valuable private residence is the British Crown property Buckingham Palace. Sorry Americans, it's not the White House. It's valued at $6.78 billion. The 300-year-old palace has 775 rooms, including 52 bedrooms for royals and guests, 188 bedrooms for staff, 78 bathrooms, and 92 offices. There are also 19 staterooms, which include a state dining room, a music room, and as every palace should have, a throne room. Which one of these homes would you love to reside in? Give us your thoughts in the comment section below. Then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more.